Good morning, everybody. Today I will explain the phoneme F. F. F belongs to three categories: fricative, labiodental, and voiceless. Fricatives are consonant sounds produced by bringing the mouth into position to block the passage of airstream, but not making a complete closure, so that air moving through the mouth generates audible friction. As you can see in the graphic, this is the position that you must make to perform that sound. Also, it belongs to labiodentals. It means that sounds are produced by contracting the lower teeth against the upper lip. As you can see in the graphic, these are the points of articulation of all fricatives. And as an examples, I found finish at initial position, office at middle, and laugh at the end. Thank you very much.